Hello and welcome to the literally 5 maybe 10 minutes demo of the Stream Network's virtual private cloud platform Vnebula powered by OnApp. So this is our virtual private cloud platform for managed service providers. And here is my initial dashboard that I log in as a partner. I can see from this dashboard here quickly what CPU I've got in play at the moment, what's in use, my memory usage. I can see how many virtual servers I've got, the backups that I've got going, the data stores that I have, total storage in use, and my IOPS, as well as my activity log, what's happened, my starting up virtual servers or destroyed virtual servers, so my activity log of what I've been doing on the virtual private cloud platform. Now, we're going to do a very quick build of a virtualized server, so I will go ahead and create the server now. So literally, simply just click on create a server. You can see this is obviously a demo dashboard, but you can see here if I click on the templates, we've built a few templates in this demo platform. See I've got some CentOS, some Windows, a pfSense virtualized firewall, but just a heads up, as a virtual cloud private cloud operator, we can template any virtual machine you like, any operating system, whether it's a security firewall or it's a specially built Windows template for you as a managed service provider. Let us know and we can actually build a template that you can use for your customers and within your virtual private cloud environment. Could have a security lockdown on or hardened version or Windows, whatever you need. In this instance, I'm just going to click and build a Windows 2009 server here. So I'm going to click on here. You can see it gives me an estimated price per hour. Just a heads up, Stream Networks can do Amazon or Azure type billing, where you pay a price per hour, or you can have a fixed cost monthly rental from us, so you know what your price for your virtual machine is going to be every month and your bandwidth. So we do fixed cost, which is quite an advantage when you want to go and talk to your customers and let them know how much their virtual machine is going to cost per month. So we just click next. I'm going to give this a label, so customer B demo server, customer B win server as my host name. I'm going to complete the password here. So this will be the password that we have for the actual virtual machine when it gets built and we gain access to it, so the admin or root password. Click on next. Now here we can either create your own, so you can slide these up, slide how much memory you want or how many CPUs. We can choose our disks, how much storage we want. Or we can just use an instance package. Again, this is a demo account, but on this one I'm just going to choose this demo platinum package, which is a 4-core CPU, 4 gig of memory and 100 gig disk. So we choose that, press next. You can see the summary now. So I'm going to build a Windows server. We're going to build it, and the automation settings say we're going to boot that virtual server as soon as it's built, and that's it. Just click create a virtual server and away it goes. You can see from the notification center that the virtual server has been created successfully and its build has been completed. And if we just go back to our virtual server to see an overview, so you can see here we got our customer demo B server, and that's currently in a building state. I built another one earlier here that's just building as well. If I click on this Matt's test one here, and I can set an overview, so it's not much going on this server at the moment, but I can console onto this server now, bring up a console, And so here is my Windows 2019 server. You can see if I ping out quickly 8, I can get to Google. If I take my IP config, you can see my IP address. So you can see I'm on 10.0.0.13 with a default gateway .1. All of our virtual private cloud customers, we can build a virtualized private firewall. This one is based on protecting this customer is based on a pfSense, but we can provision any security appliance from the likes of FortiGate, SonicWall, anything that supports a virtualized image. But if we quickly just go on here, you can see this is my actual virtualized firewall protecting my virtual private cloud environment. I won't go into the benefits of pfSense, but it's a very easy firewall for customers to deploy. It supports IPsec VPN, L2TP, and OpenVPN. It has intrusion prevention services. You know, it's a complete open source, really good firewall that's well supported out there in the community. So that is my private firewall, and I can set up my things like NAT rules. So you can see I've put an RDP rule in to this server from the outside world for Windows terminal services. So if we just pop out of the console, we go back to our dashboard and see how if we've got our server that's being built. So if I just go back to my virtual servers, so you can see the customer server we built through the demonstration is now complete, and it's powered on. So if I click in here, click on my console, send my Control-Alt-Delete command and enter the password we entered earlier in the setup process. You can see here's my newly built Windows server, all ready, hopefully connected to the internet. We ping 8.8.8.8. There we go, all connected to the internet and ready to go. Obviously you can set up your firewall rules and VPN settings, etc., from your virtualized private firewall, which will be on your default gateway, which is 10.0.0.1. So that is the end of the about 8-9 minute demonstration of Stream Network's virtual private cloud platform for managed service providers, Vnebula. Thank you.